Kori Bustard, the largest and heaviest flying bird in Africa, often seen foraging around zebras and antelopes. Sandbathing and sunbathing is Kori's favorite treat. When threatened, Kori bustards bark in attempt to threaten away the predator. Unlike most birds, which drink water by scooping up, Kori bustards suck water with their beaks. They also have quite an unusual nesting behavior. The female incubates the eggs on a shallow hole dug on the ground and would hardly leave her 2 eggs for anything during the incubation period, at which time the male is on vacation.